One very useful tool when you're modeling your project is the solid element operations. And we can find it in the Design tab, Solid Element Operation. So on this tab, we have the New Operation bar and the Maintaining Operation. So we're going to focus on the new operation now. I'm going to do a marquee here on this fireplace area. So I'm going to draw the marquee, press F4 in the Mac or F5 in the Windows. And let's say we have this situation here where I have a fireplace object and then I have this wall that is on the way. So let's subtract one element from the other. I wouldn't do this on this situation. I would actually create an empty window on the middle, but it's a good example for our exercise. So what we have to do is select the targets and select the operators. So the targets will be those three walls. Select them holding Shift and then click on Get Target Elements. I'm going to click here to cancel the selection and then select the operator and then click on Get Operator Elements. So I have three targets, one operator. Now we can choose some different types of operation like subtraction, subtraction with upward extrusion, or subtraction with downward extrusion, and this is the one that we actually want. So I'm going to click on this one and then press Execute. So now ArchiCAD has performed the operation for us, and you will notice that this is a live operation. If I move a little bit to the side, the subtraction will follow us. But I'm going to undo this because I want to keep it central. And notice that now the target and the operators have this symbol here. And if we click here, it will tell us that we are doing a subtract operation with downwards on the fireplace. If I click on the fireplace and then click on this icon, it will tell us that we are subtracting another three elements that we can select it from here. So let's press F4 again or F5 if you're in Windows to see the whole house. I'm going to zoom extend and then let's bring all the layers. So I'm going to go Ctrl L, select all layers, put them all on and press OK. So now we have this site. If I focus here, you will notice that we have the solid element operation symbol here. So if I click here, it is saying that we're subtracting from two other elements, which I know are two slabs. So we can cancel this solid element operation by clicking here on this X and then clicking on the other X. So now we don't have any solid operation happening on the mesh. So let's do that again. So let's go to the basement. I'm going to select the target, which is the mesh, and get the target, and then select the operators, which is this slab and these slabs, get operator, and then I would change the operation to subtraction with upward extrusion. I can execute here on the plan as well. It will work. And if we go back to the 3D, you will see that now the subtraction is done. But remember that this is a live subtraction, so if we change the shape of this slab, the subtraction will also follow. But be aware that this might make your ArchiCAD a little bit slow because it is calculating the subtraction all the time. So use it only when you really need it.